think I must do it the other way. I can't. This way. I don't know. Nothing there. I'm just going to try. So you should put your this end. Can hold it maybe. Like you said, don't tell Vanessa you can't do it. Okay, that's okay because I can, if I had to. See, don't drop the jam. But I can always just leave it upside down for a day and then try it. Yeah, I think I must do it this way to start. Then I'll do it that way. You said put your thumb there.